Welcome to part 2 of Discount Cab's MDT training course. Now that you're familiar with the different parts of the MDT, I'll show you how to log in, temporarily book off, perform a soft reboot, and log out. Let's start by logging into the MDT. The MDT powers on automatically when the taxicab is started. Upon powering up, the MDT runs through a self-test, then buzzes, and then briefly displays a short test message. Once the MDT has powered on, you're ready to log into the MDT. First, make sure that the previous driver isn't still logged into the MDT. To do so, press the Book Soft key, then enter 990, and then press the Send key. The system should then return an off-duty acknowledge message. Now you must enter your driver ID so that the dispatch system knows which driver is using the taxicab. To do so, press the Form key. With the arrow on driver ID, press the Select Soft key, then enter your driver ID, and then press the Send key. You will receive a Form Sent to Base message. The system should then return an Access Granted message. If the system returns any other message but the Access Granted message, re-enter your driver ID. After entering your driver ID, you must enter the current mileage of the taxicab. To do so, press the Form key, then use the circular button to move the arrow to mileage, then press the Select Soft key, then enter the current mileage of the taxicab, and then press the Send key. You will receive another Form Sent to Base message. Once the GPS signal measurement appears, you have the ability to book into zones and accept jobs. During a shift, you may choose to become temporarily unavailable for jobs. In order to indicate this to the dispatch system, you must temporarily book off. To do so, press the Book Soft key, then enter 999, and then press the Send key. You will remain booked in your zone for 10 minutes. If you return within 10 minutes, press the Update Soft key, and then press the Send key. If you don't return after 10 minutes, you will be booked off and lose your position in the zone. The system will return an off-duty acknowledge message, and you will have to log back into the MDT. Also during a shift, you may experience problems with your MDT and need to perform a soft reboot. Symptoms requiring a soft reboot include odd messages, the inability to book into a zone, and frequent no-com status. Though usually effective, a soft reboot clears the driver's job history from the current shift. To perform a soft reboot, press the menu key until you see the Config Soft key, then press the Config Soft key, then press the SysDiag Soft key, and then press the Reset Soft key. If the MDT freezes up or can't be reset with a soft reboot, you must bring the taxicab to a yard attendant for troubleshooting. Once you are ready to end your shift, you must log out of the MDT. This is the same process as logging out a previous driver. Press the Book Soft key, then enter 990, and then press the Send key. This concludes part 2 of Discount Cab's MDT training course, in which we learn how to log in, temporarily book off, perform a soft reboot, and log out.